The past couple of days I haven't been filming a lot. I've been occupied by this thing. It's one of those games, you know, for your iPhone. One of those rage quit games. You really rage about them, but you can't stop playing. It's one of those things. I really hate it, but I can't stop just picking it up and trying all over again. Because I just started a couple of days ago, I'm still getting into the whole thing. But so far I can only manage to make like the top bit match and the... oh shit. And like the first 2 layers. I can't get the bottom one. As for today, one dive in the morning was cancelled, people just didn't show up. Now I'll have 2 more first-time divers in the afternoon. After that I'm coming back to Sunfish, sorting out the equipment, and then we're heading to a party. In a couple of days one of my friends is coming over. That's the plan so far. Let's go see what everyone else is doing downstairs. Probably nothing. By the way, there's absolutely no reason why I came up here. Just for the shot, to be honest. Okay. Linus is eating, and that's it. I'm right now on my way to a friend's dinner invitation party kind of thing. Right, so here's a quick 15-second summary of today's day. Today in the morning we had a cancelled dive, 6 people didn't show up. Then I washed the car from the inside, 2 cars, then I went to fill up the cars, then I came back to the shop, then I had a dive, then I came back to the shop. Right now I passed my freediving exam, and right now I'm on my way to the said dinner party. I'll just continue on with my journey because it is quite dark and I am driving in the middle of nowhere. Talk to you later. Let's just roll into day 2, which is going to be much more exciting right now. Much better. I'm gonna get down underwater. First dive, free dive. Busy. are you going, Sash?
To home. Let me just do to yours too. No, you just need to do that because.
Why?
Because then you can look. It's easy to unlock it. Just to.
But you lock it to be safe, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we don't fly out of the car.
Oh, shall we go?
Yippee!
Yeah, that's the B.
Can I try?
Yep. That's pretty cool. Right, Sash, come on, otherwise. Ready?
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. Straight. No, straight like that.
I don't want. Is it okay if I can turn a little bit?
Yeah, you can turn as much as you want.
We're going to crash into that car?
Sash. Straight on. Not into that car.
No.
Yeah, in between them. Sash, don't crash into the curb. Sash, turn. Turn. Do the other way. Right, let's just let these people pass. Right, let's go.
Go.
Sash, where are you turning? Sash, we're gonna hit that.
No.
Sash, this way, we'll have to go this way. Sash, just make sure the wheel's facing straight.
Please, can you?
Sash.
I'm not sure what.
Sash, you have to look straight
I am.
when you're driving. You're not looking straight.
No, but then I won't.
Just follow the road nice and slow. Right, let's let them pass.
Who?
These guys, okay. Sash, are you looking at the road or are you looking somewhere else?
It's just that this place is so beautiful.
It is a very beautiful place. Sash, we're gonna hit that. Sash, this way. Sash, you have to look straight.
I am doing this.
No, you're doing very well. I was about to say you were doing very, very well indeed. You're ready to turn very, very, very much.
Yes.
And now, go, turn. Okay, straight. Now straight. Sash, not into the wall.
I'm not.
Turn more. Otherwise you're gonna hit this wall. This wall over here, we don't want to crash into this wall. Okay?
Why?
Well, because we'll scratch the car and Dana's gonna be mad at us.
Why?
Well, because she doesn't want the car to be broken, right?
Can I just pop
Sash,
up?
not into the wall!
I'm not.
Going into the wall! Well done. Oh. Right, let's bring the car just next to the gate. Right here. Now you can go and tell your mummy.
No, I'm not going. Okay.
Okay, I'm just going to turn the car around and
Wait.
park. She's off to Jim and Sandra's. Ah, this child.
Tell me when.
Wait.
Tell me when.
Now. Whoa! What does the seal do?
Oh.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Swimmer. Miss Diverian.
Yeah, you're a Miss Diver.
Molly or stupid shit. Reflect on using it, but use it again just to make sure that you're not used to it. I'm snapping next like it's a bad picture. I got these faggots throwing up like they were bad pictures. Cause this cranial too.
We have our own radio here.
What?
We have our own radio here.
What radio?
Radio Sasha.